we are watching all others results.
Wait a minute!
Tomorrow is my maths exam and revision is going. I've mostly completed all the topics but अभी मुझे revision करना बाकी है. Hello, good morning. It's 9 a.m. and now I'm revising the previous year question papers and I'm like, what is going on in this? ये क्या चल रहा है? I have time till 2 p.m. I think I will just do it. Okay, so let's start. It's time to get serious with this subject. Tomorrow is band. Okay, tomorrow we don't have exam. And our exam is postponed to 22nd. Three more hours for exam and I'm in my uniform and now I am studying for the exam. Obviously I'll do that only. So after all that hard work and stressful nights, I gave my third semester exams and finally the results have come. And in this video, I'll be sharing my score and my result analysis. I hope this motivates you, and if you don't know me, hello there, I'm Sumaira Anjum studying second year diploma in AI&ML Branch at HCET Guntur, and without any further delay, let's get started. So while we are studying 4th semester, we were so excited for the 3rd semester results. Results date is completely unexpected and we were waiting from so long कि results would come today, it would come tomorrow, and that's how it was lagging. Finally, one fine day, I woke up in the morning, I did my regular chores and went to the college. We had a maths class from 10 to 10:50 and the class started as usually. Generally, in our college, maths class goes on perfectly and seriously, but today it was completely different because everyone was expecting results as yesterday C16 syllabus results were released. So the mahal was so stressed up, and as the class was getting over, we hear some sounds that results are out. Please. So here's my rank card and I have scored 880 out of 900. Like, can you believe it? I was like so happy after knowing my result. Actually, one of my friends told my result. Everyone was in an exciting mood, and by the time I opened my phone and checked the result, my result was already announced by one of my friends, and I was so happy. Like, I was in a shock that is it for 900 only or for 1000? So yes, it is for 900 and I just lost 20 marks in total. So we are watching all others results. So this time everybody scored good results and we were all so happy that we didn't even listen a single class on that day. ASMR guys.
Like why?
ASMR. Nice ASMR. Come on, let's go. So guys, small party for our success. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations. Chala. Tinach. So After knowing my score, I obviously told it to my parents, teachers, and everybody was so happy. So that's all I could shoot on that day in college. So after coming home, we went outside for a small celebration. So today was finally a very memorable day. Oh, hi, Lee. Coming to result analysis, we had 5 subjects in total in third semester. First one is maths, in which I've scored 79 out of 80. 1 mark has gone for a silly mistake which I made in 3 marks, some small calculation mistake. I hope I'll not repeat that again. Next up is Python, in which I scored 76 out of 80. Of course, it is a programming language, so I might write some code mistake, or yeah, I also didn't write a 3 marks question properly, so that might have been the mistaken point. And coming to OS, I've scored 80 out of 80, which is really good. And DE and CO, I've scored 68 out of 80. It was a theory subject, so I've done some mistakes in that. You won't believe, in this exam I've done a mistake of not reading a question properly. I mean, I wrote a different answer for some particular question. So yeah, mistakes happen with everybody. We need to be so careful in final exams. And next up is DBMS, in which I've scored 78 out of 80. Again, I've made some small mistakes, 1-2 mark here and there nikalne padte hai. I've particularly mentioned my marks not to just show off. I just want to tell you is that analyzing the result really helps a lot in upcoming exams. Now that I've analyzed my result, I know ki I've done some mistake in maths, I've done some mistake in Python, so that I will not repeat this in the next exams. Now I know how to attempt theory exams, how to write programming, everything. So I also advise you to analyze your results. It's not that exams likhe ho gaye, khatam ho gaye, result aa gaya, bas maine chhod diya. It's important to learn from your mistakes. That was the result, and that's it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch some amazing videos like this and to always stay motivated to study. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You're so close to 1K, so let's make it to 1000 subscribers. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.